In video description, I have provided the link to download free practice model. Please subscribe to this channel. Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the part rear door scuff plate part creation from the scratch. These are the parameters we need to consider. Scuff plate thickness 2.5 mm, environmental part door seal, B pillar lower, C pillar lower, and BAW part side frame. Attachment strategy, metal clip and snap on the side of the B pillar. It acts as a locator, and door seal locator, and then this part is going to clear on C tooling direction for adding the strengthening ribs to this part. I am going to create one geometrical set for keeping all the surfaces in proper structure inside the design geometrical set. I am creating ABC surface creation geometrical set separately. So if you maintain proper structure, in future if you want to edit anything, it will be easy to edit and identify the future easily. Already I have taken the input surface, studio surface. There is no patchwork. Just I am going to join the A surface and naming it as final A surface. So hereafter, what are the links or profile you are taking from the A surface, it should related to the final A surface. It should not, make sure it should not you are taking from the studio surface, isolated surface. For B surface, part thickness is 2.5 mm. For that, just I am offsetting the A surface to 2.5 without any issue. It is generated. So I am going to extrapolate this offsetted surface by 2 mm. So B surface, whenever you are creating, you have to have more surface on the edges, then only it will be helpful while you are trimming the C surface. So make sure you are keeping the continuity in curvature, then only the surface generated will be proper. So this is my final B surface. So any other feature I am taking from B surface, it should have the parent of this final B surface. Next I am going to create the C surface. By using the sweep, I am going to generate C surface. For generating C surface, you can create by with surface, reference surface. so that your profile will generate by using the reference surface. So this video is the first part of part creation. So it consists of 4 parts. One is first from A to B creation, and second part consists of ribbon doghouse creation. Third part consists of locking features on the door seal and as well as on the B pillar area. Fourth part consists of parting line and tooling direction tutorials. If you like this video, please like, share and add your comments. If you have any doubts, please mention in the comment bar. And if you want to discuss any part, please add that part name also in the comment. In upcoming tutorials, we will try to generate that part from the scratch, and we will see the attachment strategies also. So for all the edges, I am creating the sweep. So by using a surface to close volume, it is named as buffer surface. So just you are thickening the part without considering any environmental part. In later stages, next we need to consider the environmental part and try to maintain the clearance as per the requirement. So minimum we need to maintain some 6 mm clearance. So this scuff plate is sitting on the B pillar and C pillar. So it is an aesthetic part. So for this one we have the engineered surface. I have provided the separate video for what is engineered surface. It is provided in below description. So whenever you are creating the sweep, give some draft angle so that it will clear on the tooling. So I am going to add some 3 degrees of draft on the sides of the wall. On both sides we are going to have the engineered surface. So if it is not clearing properly in this stage, for the tooling also no need to worry. In engineered surface we can have the tool clearance. Some of the scuff plates will have the name of the car model or brand of the car. So what we are creating is just a simple plain profile. So material of this scuff plate, mostly for lower end it will be have PP. How we will decide the attachment strategy is from getting the CAE analysis, and we need to consider some design rules. In next part we will see the design rule consideration for the attachments. So I am trimming the newly created sweep so that my closed volume profile was created. I am just joining the trimmed surface. Next I am going to trim this closed surface with our final A surface. So it will form the AC surface. I am creating one more geometric set for this closed volume. So all trimmed surface will comes under this closed volume, and final closed surface also will be under this closed volume geometrical set. I have trimmed A and C and adding into join and naming it as AC surface. I have trimmed the B surface, so I am joining it and naming it as closed surface, and I am going to create the volume for this surface. I am going to create one more body to add it under this closed volume. So this is the part main body. So that is the reason I am not adding under it, creating a new body. So the thickness was done. So once thickness is done, we need to cross check by the help of draft analysis, because whatever we created, it should clear in the tooling. Otherwise, whatever we created, it is not a manufacturable part. So default value is 3. Just I am also checking for 3. So minimum draft for 3. On the sides it is not clearing. The tooling direction I am keeping it as C. So just reducing the degree of draft value. by 2, but still some of the areas it is not clearing. But anyhow, on these edges it is going to be a engineered surface. So one edge will have the fillet and another edge will have the lap joint, so that we no need to worry about this issue. We can fix it in final part. I'm just changing the sweep value of the drafts to get more draft on the side walls. Just I'm keeping 95 degree from 93 to changing to 95 on the side walls where we have found the issues. So once again checking. So slight tooling issues there. So make sure tooling is there or not. So I'm just checking. It is having draft, but it was less, so that is the reason it is having red in color. So no issues, as I told earlier. This area anyhow we are going to modify it. So make sure whenever you are creating the part, you are not changing the A surface of the given part. So in this one I have missed adding the rib feature. So rib also, strengthening rib feature also, we are going to add it on this part. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. In part 2 we will see the strengthening rib and doghouse creation. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. In video description I have provided the link to download free practice model. Please subscribe to this channel.